Hi, Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings here. And have you ever wanted to update the hardware in your kitchen, the hardware in your bathroom, or just some door pulls or hardware on some furniture? Well, you find that when you go out and purchase new hardware, it's expensive. It can really add up. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to update the hardware on your kitchen cabinets, on your bathroom vanities, or your furniture. It is really quick and easy. Take a look. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to update the hardware on any piece of furniture, kitchen cabinets, any hardware you have around the house. This is a quick and easy way. First thing you need to do is clean your piece. Now, hardware is usually the dirtiest part of your furniture, your kitchen cabinets, that type of thing, because it's constantly being touched. So you can clean it with glass cleaner, you can clean it with rubbing alcohol, Lysol wipes, Clorox wipes, and then make sure you wipe it down with water to remove any cleaning residue that might be left behind. So do a very good cleaning of it first so that the product is gonna stick. And you can update all your hardware in less than 3 minutes per piece. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how easy it is. I'm using Redesign with Prima's Decor Wax, and I wanted silver, so I'm doing it's called Shiny Star, but they have it in a bronze called Elements. They have a black called Galaxy. They have lots of different colors. They have golds and light golds. So several colors to choose from, but I am actually gonna be doing the Shiny Star. And this is how easy it is. I'm gonna use my fingers for most of it. Just run my finger in there, get it on my finger, and watch how quickly this is gonna transform. Look at that. And this, once it dries, it's good to go. It's not gonna come off. You don't have to seal it. See, look at how quick and easy this is. Just get it on my finger. You can wear gloves if you prefer, but it will come off your fingers if you wash your hands right away with soap and water. So I'm just long streaks so I don't have any stop and start points or marks. And get around the corners. Put the handle. Just rubbing it on in thin layers. You can always go back after it's completely dried and add another layer if you need to. I would say wait a couple hours before you try to do that. But I only did one coat on this one, and I got that great coverage. Look at how easy it is to update your hardware. On a lot of pieces lately, the brass is considered kind of out of date. So if you don't want to spend the money and get new hardware, just change the finish on it. Getting around the edges. Get the handle for sure. Just rubbing it everywhere. And now around the creases, I'm gonna use a stiff, this is a stiff, see how stiff that is? A stiff craft brush. Gonna just swirl it around in the Decor Wax. And then I can push it into the corners. Anywhere where my hands won't reach. You can do the whole thing with a brush if you want, but I find it's quicker to just do it with my fingers and get it on there. Getting it into the grooves. And if you leave your lid off, it will dry this out a little bit. I've been using this so much that the grease from my fingers has hardened it a little bit. When you first get it, it's really, really soft. If you want to soften it back up again, I've been told you can add some mineral spirits to it. That will soften it a bit. Got to get in these little grooves of the hardware where my fingers just can't reach. Okay. It's very forgiving, very easy to apply. And I'm gonna get the rest of it with my fingers because it's accessible. And then don't forget to get around your edges. And get into these cracks that my fingers won't reach. And stay tuned to the end because I will post a picture of what this hardware looks like on the new piece I painted for them, and it gives such a better, a much more updated look. So So I still have to get around some of the cracks and crevices. But, oops, let me get the top of my handle so you can see it. Look at how quick and easy that is. It's just a very easy to use wax. And I believe you can find this Decor Wax if you go to like websites like redesignwithprima.com, or you can go to scrapbook.com. There's several sites that sell this product. I'm showing you just because it's a lifesaver. Look at how quick and easy this is. Getting down the grooves. And even if you can see some, if you put it on really thin and you can see some of your previous finish on it, it gives it that aged look. I'm not going for that. I want to get as much on here as I can. I want it to be nice and silver. And if you want to, if this is gonna get a lot of wear and tear, or if you know you're gonna be using cleaning products on your piece around the Decor Wax and you wanna make sure it stays nice and bright the way it is right now, you can do a spray sealer like Krylon spray sealer oops, I use my finger for that part. You can use Krylon spray sealer to seal it in as well. Just wait until it's dried for a few days before you put it on there. And that's it. Look at how quick and easy. Here, I have an old one. Here's what the old one looked like. Look at how quick and easy it is to update your hardware. To make it look, look at that sheen. To make it look silver. And I just wanted to share that little tip and trick with you. And you can do this, like I said, you can update your kitchen cabinet hardware. It makes such a difference with the look of your kitchen, bathroom. If you have that old brass hardware that's out of style and you don't want to invest the money into buying new hardware, just change the finish on it to a different color and give it an updated look. Okay, so I finished all 3 of them so you can see, and I did these in 5 minutes, 3 handles, and I didn't have to get out spray paint. I didn't have to deal with all that stuff. It was quick and easy. Use my fingers, which I'll be using soap and water to clean my fingers off. To clean my brush, I'll be washing this in some mineral spirits. But let this dry overnight at least. You want to make sure that the wax, this is a Decor Wax, this sets up and hardens. So I'm not going to touch these. I'm going to let them sit overnight, and then tomorrow I'll probably spray them with my Krylon spray sealer. And just because I like to do the spray sealer on hardware, so I could spray this side, flip up the handles, and then spray the back of the handles, let it dry between coats, and then I'm good to go. But I'm not gonna touch these too much. I'm gonna let that wax dry. But look at how quick and easy it is. One simple little product, and I love this stuff. I use it all the time. But it's similar to a gilding wax, but it's a little bit softer. And if you leave your lid off for too long, like I said, I've been told you can add a little bit of mineral spirits to it to soften it back up again. But love this stuff. And this is actually the bronze. This is it's called Element. I use this one a lot. You can see it. I've dug into it. So there we go. Okay, so as you saw, that was quick and easy. And if you want to see more of my updating videos, don't forget to head down below and click on subscribe and click on that little bell so you know when I have new videos coming up. I do a lot of these types of videos, lots of trash to treasures and quick tips. Okay, I have this whole tin. I save old hardware. You just saw how easy and quick it is to update it. So why get rid of it? Save some money. Okay, well, this is Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. And don't forget to wait and see the pictures at the end.